Hi Troy, how is it for you to play against an Irish club right now?
Yeah, it's really nice. This is the first time that I'm going to play against someone from my hometown, so it's exciting.
Yeah, can you tell us something more about Shelbourne? What is it for club?
Sorry.
What is Shelbourne? Can you tell more about Shelbourne? What's like the club?
Yeah, I think for sure they're a hard working team. I think all Irish teams are. Yeah, look, it's a club that's really close to my home, back in Dublin. So it's yeah, look, as I said before, it's going to be exciting to play against them.
Yeah, you are a Shamrock Rovers fan. I read on the internet, but you grew up nearby the stadium of Shelbourne.
Yeah. I wouldn't say I'm still a Shamrock Rovers fan. I was when I was a bit younger, but yeah, as you said, I grew up really close to the Shelbourne Stadium, and I also know some guys from there. So it's going to be it's going to be nice to see some familiar faces.